Okay, DJI Avata 2 unbox. Let's see what we got. Okay, we have a bag. Top of the bag we have scan QR code before first use. Check that out. Drone, goggles, batteries, and our little controller. Up here we have props. All little bits and pieces in there. Lead, more props, 4 props in total. Allen key. Okay, let's start with goggles first. Here's our goggles. Drone. One drone. Okay, in there we have 2 batteries. Third battery is in the drone. Charge to activate the intelligent flight battery before using for the first time. So we'll do that. We have USB port, memory card holder. We have cover and protective sticks pretty good. I'll put that back on for now. Do not touch the air intake to avoid burns. It's pretty cool. Okay, with our little controller and string. Yeah, I'm not sure what these are. Okay, I'll have to look in to see what they are. They look like little lens caps. Scan codes and a lead. Rightio. I'll get this charged up and see how we go.